Welcome to Intentional Living. This is a space where growth is not accidental, it is deliberate, where your mind is strengthened, spirit is aligned, and your life is lived with purpose. If you are ready to develop discipline, build the right mindset, deepen your spiritual walk, and become the best version of yourself, you are in the right place. Here, we don't drift through life. We live intentionally. There is a gap inside you, and it is not neutral. God did not just create you with lungs and bones. He created you with capacity. There is a space within you designed for fellowship with Him. And here is the danger. If God does not fill that space, something else can sit there. Relationships can sit there. Ambition can sit there. But anything that replaces God eventually controls you. The gap is not the problem. Occupantes, you are not the problem. Your wrong decisions and choices are. Allow Him today and find an everlasting peace and serenity. You ever achieved something big and still felt empty? Comment below. Live intentionally daily. I remain your host, Shobola Adeboye Eniola. Stay in touch for the next episode. Like, share, and subscribe.